Fine lines with blue and red shaped an Eiffel Tower on the surface of pure and thin porcelain cups, integrating elements with distinctive features from both China and France. To celebrate the 60th anniversary of the establishment of diplomatic ties between these two countries, those type of cups were packaged into exquisite gift boxes with French cosmetics. Besides the cups, the gift box contains a French red lipstick. Through the integration of traditional Chinese art and French fashion colors, the beauty of cultural diversity is showing to the public.
这次的设计主要还是把中国和法国两国的一个色调和元素，然后都融入了咱们的这一堆瓷器的瓷杯当中。当时我们有想做一个美美与共的主题，希望中法建交的这个关系能够让人们也永远的都形成一个记忆啊，长达60周年这样的一个美好的关系。
As witnesses and promoters of friendship, the anniversary limited gift box embodies the diverse cultural craftsmanship of both nations, signifying the shared pursuit of a better life by the people of China and France, transcending borders, cultures, and time.